Hi guys, another wet miserable day out there, but there's still enough ambient sunlight for all this lot to be rocking. Now that has got to be version 6 of my solar Grandad. Looks to me like if it had full sunlight that would be falling off its little pivot there. That's going quite wild. It is unbalanced. It does rock around quite a bit sideways. I'll have to improve the way it balances. Yeah, you see it actually rocks itself so far it gets unbalanced. You may notice I've changed his arm is now the thing that's on the balance, on the pivot I mean. So he's supporting himself. That's the trouble with these 3D printers. You just get carried away with an idea and keep printing new ones. That'll do.
Thanks for watching. You'll find more information down in the video description. You might like to watch that video up there, and you might like to subscribe over there.